25 hidden signs of depression. Life is a journey filled with emotions, experiences, and numerous challenges. From the moment we emerge from the womb's womb to the very instant you are reading these texts, we encounter contradictions and sudden changes. However, at times, these changes can deviate from the normalcy, casting a shadow over life, making it seem darker and more challenging. In these texts, we address one of the pervasive mental and societal issues that often goes unnoticed or unacknowledged. This issue is depression. Depression is a psychological condition that can have a profound impact on your daily life. It slowly and persistently creeps into your life, turning nights into sleepless periods, robbing you of the joy and enthusiasm you once had, and steering you towards feelings of loneliness and hopelessness. Here we present 25 signs of depression. If you experience 10 or more of these signs, it's essential to recognize that these may be indicative of depression. As depression is a serious condition that requires attention and treatment, it is advisable to consult a mental health professional or psychiatrist. Recognizing and addressing depression is of paramount importance, given its potential to lead to self-harm and physical ailments. The signs of depression may vary among individuals, and their intensity can also differ. However, here are 25 common signs of depression. 1. Persistent feelings of sadness or depression. 2. Loss of interest and enjoyment in daily activities. 3. Unintentional weight gain or loss. 4. Constant anxiety and worry. 5. Overwhelming fatigue and low energy. 6. Sleep disturbances, including insomnia or excessive sleep. 7. Changes in appetite, leading to overeating or loss of appetite. 8. Negative thoughts, suicidal ideation, or thoughts of self-harm. 9. Difficulty concentrating and making decisions. 10. Self-loathing and diminished self-esteem. 11. Disdain for others or avoiding social interactions. 12. Feelings of isolation and loneliness. 13. Unexplained physical aches and pains due to stress-related depression. 14. Increased tolerance for alcohol or drugs. 15. Social withdrawal from friends and family. 16. Inability to perform daily tasks and work-related duties adequately. 17. Loss of interest in social interactions or activities. 18. Increased irritability and restlessness. 19. Unwarranted feelings of agitation and distress. 20. Neglecting self-care or physical well-being. 21. A sense of hopelessness about the future. 22. Increased self-violence or aggression toward others. 23. Deterioration in professional competence and performance. 24. Loss of passion and purpose in life. 25. Inability to find humor in situations that others find funny. Depression treatment often involves a combination of psychological, medical, and social approaches. Here are some effective strategies for treating depression. 1. Consultation with a specialist. The first crucial step in treating depression is seeking advice from a mental health professional or psychiatrist who can provide a precise diagnosis and determine an appropriate treatment plan. 2. Psychotherapy. Various forms of psychotherapy exist, including cognitive behavioral therapy and cognitive therapy. These methods can help alter negative thought patterns and enhance coping skills for managing thoughts and emotions. 3. Medications. In some cases, doctors may prescribe antidepressant medications to help balance brain chemicals and reduce depressive symptoms. 4. Physical health maintenance. Taking care of your physical health through proper nutrition, regular exercise, and adequate sleep is crucial. Healthy eating and consistent exercise can help alleviate self-harm and depressive symptoms. 5. Stress management. Learning stress management techniques like meditation, yoga, and breathing exercises can help you cope better with daily pressures. 6. Social support. Family and friends support is of great importance. Talking to trusted individuals who can provide assistance during tough times is beneficial. 7. Eliminating harmful environmental factors. Strive to reduce harmful environmental factors such as substance abuse and alcohol consumption, and seek a supportive environment. Treating depression may take time and requires patience. Furthermore, individuals may respond differently to various treatment approaches. However, with the support of professionals and your determination, recovery and return to a better life are possible.